Hello. Njengoba uyibona inwele zami lezi azivumi. Let's transform this hairstyle and bring it to life. Asizilule kancane zibe zihle. This look is just going to look and feel amazing on you. So I just want to share this look with you. Welcome to a journey of making your hair work for you like it has never been before. So you just have to divide it in section. You can use any comfortable comb that you're using. As you can see, my hair is all over the place. So I'm just going to use this hairband that's just going to help with the dividing of my hair in different parts. Do enjoy the process, and I hope that you can also give it a try. So as you can see, the hair is divided. I'm just going to use waxing gel. You can use any air gel that works for you just to control your hair and make this hair very sleek when everything's going to be put together. With much better lighting right now, as you can see now, the hair is neatly combed and everything is just in place and divided, and it's easy now to control and just add a beautiful sleek bun. So it's two sleek buns, as you can see, it's the top middle one and the one from the back. I will definitely need a hair piece, or you can use any hair extension that will work for you. Over here, I'm just using this ponytail, but I'm just going to divide it in different parts so the style can work. You can easily comb your hair piece so that it's easy for you to divide in two parts. Try to twist your hair around the first portion and then the second portion so everything is just intact and right in place with your natural hair with extension. The remaining hair piece that is left, try to twist it, or you can just do 3 plaiting, but I think with this hairstyle the 2 twisting of it will work perfectly well, and then just roll it again. As you can see, I'm just going to use my bobby pins, but with this hairstyle I recommend that just have a few bobby pins that you can use, because you have to just move things around. Then when everything is just in place, then we're going to focus on the front part of the hair to make it very lovely. and have a look of a glamorous look. As you can see, this is how everything should look at the back of your hair. If you feel like it's a bit of a challenge for you to comb your hair to a very straight and flat style, I'll recommend just use an electrical comb and then everything will work out for you. Sibahle. As you can see, it looks good. I hope you can give it a try as well. It's a beautiful hairstyle that you can actually give it a try.